Hello everybody, it's Al with BobCAD. I wanted to take a look at some 4-axis rotary toolpath. In this example, I have, a surface model that I want to machine. Still working through some of the different options we can take to machine this part. So far I've just laid down some rotary toolpath. And, so let's take a look at the simulation. We'll load up our simulation here. A couple of things that I did learn about your current settings for your machine and multi-axis posting that affects your retract position for a rewind and where that's located. So hopefully I'll have a chance to illustrate that for you. And so here we see our 4th axis, and this is the retract position that I'm going to talk about adjusting. So for now I'm just going to turn off the toolpath and hide the model, and then from here I'll slow down the simulation and we can see how the tool is just going to go up and down and work its way in from the outside coming along. Now, one of the characteristics of the rotary toolpath is you don't get any Y movement. Just like you can see over here, you have no Y movement. If I back out a little bit and I run to this orientation here, you can see the tool is just going to go up and down, and it's going to follow this shape. So let's kind of speed it up just a little bit. You can see the progression of the part being machined. And if I turn my toolpath back on, you can again see this large retract here. So I want to show you how to address that. So let's get out of the simulation for now, and then we'll edit our feature and we'll go to our multi-axis posting. Now right now it's using the machine settings, but what I'm going to do is uncheck that, and here you can see is your tool retract value. So I'm going to set this to 60 and finish, and then we'll load up the simulation again. I don't think I need to recompute it. I'll find out if I'm wrong in just a moment. And again, that tool retract, when your 4th axis will make a certain number of turns before it has to rewind. And so when it does have to rewind, it goes to a specific height that you can define in your machine setup, or you can define it in the multi-axis posting. So now you can see that that's brought down to a lower part, a lower position on the part. One of the other things that you'll notice here too, I don't have a tailstock on this particular job, but as I move my tool into my chuck or my machine components, or even into my part itself, you can see the collision is coming on. This is a setting that you have in the software, whether you have I don't think it matters whether you have machine simulation or not. You can go to your simulation properties and you can uncheck this this box here, and then when you have it checked, it shows collisions with the workpiece, and when you don't, it turns it off. So again, just a quick representation of some 4-axis rotary toolpath, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.